What's the meaning of ambush? Ambush. 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 Ambush.
The term ambush refers to a military tactic in which a group of attackers lay in wait for their target and then launch a surprise attack when the target is vulnerable and exposed. The purpose of an ambush is usually to inflict heavy damage on the enemy or to capture valuable resources. The result of an ambush can be devastating for the target, as they are caught off guard and suffer significant losses before they can react or defend themselves. Ambushes have been used throughout history by both military and non-military groups.